Hello everyone. Here I am Kavita Sharma in front of you to share my views regarding ongoing disturbance in our surroundings. It may be our mistakes or by anger of nature. In the recent time, we have faced so many calamities. I want to show the India's big losses 2020 through my short video. Kindly watch it till end. Let's watch. When the nature is angry, let us see how she expresses her anger. Recently, an Air India aircraft carrying nearly 200 passengers, out of which 19 passengers died, including 2 pilots, in Kozhikode, Kerala. This accident happens due to unprecedented heavy rainfall. Similarly, a very big landslide occurred in Kerala, where 14 people have died, again due to heavy rain. Here is nature's fury. In Bihar and Assam, nearly 40 lakh citizens are affected by the floods. About 20 people have died. The flood destroyed the tea farming area in Assam. Due to flood, many animals, houses, fields are washed away. And many people are jobless and shelterless. Again, an evidence of nature's aggression. Same is the case of Mumbai, but Mumbai is facing 2 crises at the same time. One is flood and second one is corona crisis. This city having maximum number of COVID patients in India. Corona pandemic is the worst disaster in 20th century. Not only India, the whole world is affected by this. There are nearly 20 lakh positive patients with about 43,000 deaths. Due to this crisis, India and the whole world is facing very grievous economic slump. Number of people have lost their jobs. The worst ever nature's revenge. Yet to come another nature's disagreement. The locust attack will destroy maximum agriculture produce, especially in North India. It may lead to famine and starvation. In 2020, the frequency of eclipses are both solar and lunar is more than normal. And it is said to be beneficial and harmful for some zodiac signs, again causing natural imbalance. As we all know, a pregnant elephant was killed by feeding firecracker-loaded pineapple. This agonizing death is an evidence of human error to disturb natural balance. Still, we have some time to correct our mistakes. Otherwise, these kinds of mesmerizing views will remain in pics. I think after watching this video, you all will agree with me that all the destructions due to man himself and need to be rectified, the mistakes we are doing. Save nature, save our country. If you all are agreed with me, kindly comment in comment box. Thanks for watching.